Greetings from Helical Products Company. We are located in Santa Maria, California, and I'm Gary Beam. I'm the Senior Engineer at Helical Products. The subject of this presentation is pure moments. This is a topic found in the Helical white paper labeled Wire Springs versus Machine Springs, a Comparison. This document can be viewed in its entirety on the website shown above. And in that website, go to News and Videos, and then White Paper. This subject white paper can be downloaded and used freely. The topic title in the white paper is Machine Springs Used in Torsion. With wire springs, tangs are the common method of applying torque to the spring section. These tangs can be radial, either external, or longitudinal. And while the tangs can be firmly grabbed to impart a moment attachment, they are usually interfaced with a force at a distance which requires an equal and opposite force to prevent free body motion. This diagram is in the subject wire spring versus machine spring white paper. On the top row, one will find a torsional wire spring with a typical external and internal tang attachment. Starting from the left and viewing the first two, one will see the required restraining force needed to prevent free body motion. In the remaining two springs on the top row, an OD is first used to demonstrate the use of an OD constraint, and secondly, there is on the right an ID constraint. These constraints do prevent free body motion, but in doing so rub the spring, creating possibly an undesired friction, sound, and debris. The bottom row of four, first shown on the left, are two longitudinal tangs that provide a couple or pure moment. There is no need for a force restraint to prevent free body motion here. The second diagram shows a minimum of two threaded holes or pins for the application of a pure moment. These holes could be more than two to meet the designer's attachment needs. The third diagram shows an internal hex attachment. This class of attachment is very effective in providing a pure moment. It could also be a spline, a round shaft with a keyway or keyways, and all these provide pure moments. The last diagram on the lower right demonstrates the use of two external tangs. This classic use of couple or pure moment attachment is free of the need of a resolving force. If we return to the website seen above, proceed to torsion springs and then to the hyperlink pure moment, and you will be taken to a YouTube video of the concepts just discussed. This video provides a quick review of the concepts we've been talking about. For the last comment, remember that tangs supplied with machine springs are not limited to wire size. Such tangs can be as numerous or robust as your design requires. Thank you for watching, and may your torsional experiences be force restraint free.